So you are heading to the Bahamas and you are in need of a beautiful Bahamian SIM card. Actually, the SIM cards are not that beautiful, but the Bahamas themselves, they are beautiful. And you're just wondering, how can you get yourself a SIM card? Well, in this video, I will tell you all about getting yourself a SIM card in the Bahamas. So let's just get started, shall we? Hi! It's Odo for Phone Travelers here, where we talk about everything related to traveling with your phone, such as buying a SIM card in the Bahamas. If videos like this sound interesting to you, make sure to subscribe to the channel. So, for how much can you get yourself a SIM card? If you get yourself a BTC SIM card, it will cost you 15 BSD, standing for Bahamian dollar, which is, if I'm correct, pegged 1 to 1 with the US dollar or American dollar. If you go with Alive, it will cost you 30 BSD, but you will also get the Liberty 30 package, which comes with data, minutes and SMS. So yes, it's more expensive, but compared to BTC, you get absolutely nothing when you get the SIM card, unless you buy a phone together with the SIM card. But it will cost you at least 29 BSD or 79 BSD. So where can you get yourself a SIM card in the Bahamas? You have to go to the official stores of these operators. So you go to a BTC store or an Alive store, and you can get yourself a SIM card there. But before you even head there, make sure to bring your passport with you, because SIM card registration is mandatory in the Bahamas, and in Bahamas they actually require 2 forms of identification, at least with BTC. So yeah, make sure to bring it with you, because otherwise they cannot sell you your SIM card. And it's quite, normal in the Caribbean that you have to register your SIM card. So yeah, then the question is, can you actually even use your phone in the Bahamas? Well, when we talk about frequencies, which we usually don't because it's very boring, but it's actually quite important to be aware of, in addition to the fact that you need to have an unlocked phone. So if your phone is SIM locked or locked by your carrier, then you cannot choose any SIM card besides the one of your home operator. But you also need to be aware of the frequencies. Well, the world is split into 3 different regions, 1, 2 and 3. ITU region 1 and 3, they are usually referred to as European frequencies, because they use frequencies mostly used in Europe, but also in the other places in this region, which is Africa, Asia, and the Middle East, Europe and Oceania. And most countries and operators in these 2 regions, they use the same frequencies. Whereas in America, so there will be North America, Central, South and the Caribbean, they use what they say American frequencies. While in the Bahamas, they use American frequencies as well, meaning that if you got your phone in region 1 or 3, there might be a chance that you may not be able to use your phone in the Bahamas, or may not be able to take full advantage of the networks of these operators. If you want to learn more about frequencies, at least related to traveling with your phone, there's a video up there where I go much more in depth about that. Not too technical because, well, that's boring, but just to give you an idea about what you need to be aware of when traveling with your phone to other places around the world. If you are wondering, well, which SIM card is the best in the Bahamas? What about coverage? What about speeds? What do I need to know more about SIM cards in the Bahamas? Well, luckily for you, I have a complete SIM card buying guide for the Bahamas up there, where you can learn more about the operators, such as the best operator in the Bahamas. But if you prefer to read stuff, you can go to phonetourist.com/Bahamas-guide, where you can read the guide as well. But if you like to watch stuff, well, there's a video up there already. Once again, I'm Odo for Phone Tourist, where we talk about everything related to traveling with your phone, such as local SIM cards, local SIM card reviews, international roaming, just everything related to traveling with your phone. I would really recommend you to subscribe to this channel to stay up to date with the operators around the world, and finding the best SIM cards when traveling. On the screen you will see some related videos. Make sure to like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.